This is Odin's Wolf Survival in the sunlit subterranean caverns of Wolfhaven. Today I have basically an Oshite kit from Bear Forest Knives. It was put together with Wazoo Survival. It has a lot of their gear in it, but it also has an Ulu. And you can see, there we go. 2 safety pins, a magnetized needle, which would be quite handy for making a compass on a floating leaf or sewing. Fishing hooks 3, fishing weights 3, fishing line 40 feet, whistle, tikendra, whatever, however you say it, cord 25 feet, 2 zip ties, 2 feet is duct tape, which is a good fire starter or repair. Fire plug tender. Well, I like those. There's 2 of those because you can slice those up and use little bits to get things going. Ferrocium rod, which is handy. Ferrocium rod scraper, which is even handier. Spark or water bag, 32 ounce quart. That's pretty handy. Purification tabs 2. Ranger bands 2, of which one is holding the kit together. And then water pre-filter, aluminum foil, fire saw, flashlight, ceramic knife, compass, signal mirror, brass wire, 15 feet of, and trail markers, which I'm assuming will burn also. So let's take a look in here. I'm thinking that once I get this apart, it's not going to go back together so readily, but there's a few things that I'm going to take out and a few more things I'm going to add. That'll be a later sort of thing. Okay, there's your 2 Ranger bands. So we have those 2. There's your 25 feet of cord. Your light, which these are kind of handy, and your I'm being violated whistle. So there you go, and that actually looks like a good one. No, it's not bad. I'm just not a big fan of carrying whistles around. There's some more cords sealed up like Wazoo likes to do, and I kind of like that. Keeps things handy, keeps everything from getting caught. The saw, the brass wire, their little ceramic knife, and ferrocium rod, of which this part of the ceramic knife makes an excellent scraper. Your 2 fire plugs. Like I said, you could take your knife or your Ulu and cut ends off and stick it on a stick and light it up, and then you have a match, and these will last a lot longer. If you're out, you maximize the use of your resources. Fish hooks and sinkers and your bobby pins, basically. So there you have that. Your mirror, tape, aluminum foil, and purification tabs, and another little couple mini bands, it looks like. Fire starting card, of which I think this is if I'm not mistaken, this is the same thing that they make guitar picks out of, which once you get those going, and they go rather readily, they burn brighter than San Francisco during Pride Month. So that'll let you know where that goes. Looks like zip ties, or not zip ties, but bread wrappers is what I call them. Your zip ties are here. Thermal blanket, which can be really handy. They reflect most of the heat back. A little compass. And I'm betting a needle is probably in here somewhere too. I'm not quite sure. I didn't see it. Unless they swap that out for the little mini compass. Nope, your needle's right there. There's your needle also. Magnetized needle to make a compass out of. Zip ties. Blanket. And then your spec sheet, basically, of what's in there. 23 tools. This thing runs in at about Wazoo gear isn't cheap. It runs in at about 150 bucks. Here's your Ulu, which kind of interested me. And you can, ooh, that thing is stupid sharp. Let's give it a, I'm gonna shave my arm test. Right out of the box. You could definitely shave with this thing. Put a stick up here, tie it on there, and you'd have a little mini axe. Make you a little handle, be a little more comfortable to grip, but even so, it's a handy thing. I'm liking it. Maximizes the edge of the blade to the size of the tool that can be carried. And this little kit really isn't all that big, so it wouldn't be unawkward to carry in a lot of cases. That's just so smooth. I like that. I've always kind of liked an Ulu anyway, but this is, I really kind of like this. So there we go. I think I'm gonna make a handle to put on it. You definitely want this safety deal over the edge, because this thing is stupid sharp. As for like what I'd said I'd change in here, I'd probably ditch these. I'd probably ditch the zip ties. Probably the whistle. I would add in more fishing hooks for this area, and probably take out the aluminum foil. That's just not something I've ever really used. I keep the bands because they are also used for, they'll also burn rather nicely. You know, anything you can do to help with a fire is a big plus. The card I'd keep, like I said, more fishing hooks, probably less weight. God makes weights by when he created rocks, so you know, you can tie that on. But you have 40 feet of line, takes about 2 feet of line per hook, so you know, you kind of do the math there. That's always the thing. It's always 2 or 3 hooks when, you know, most people when they go fishing, they lose more than that just hooking everything besides the fish. So, you know, more hooks, more set lines you can set up at 2 feet with branches hanging out in the water while you're doing something else to ensure that you stay alive. This is the kit. Handy little kit. And yeah, it's a bit pricey, but you know, what's your life worth? It's kind of what it boils down to. You know, you can build this on your own, which could easily be done and customized. I've done several of them, customized to what you know and what you have in the area. But thank you for watching. This is Odin's Wolf Survival. Without y'all watching, I probably wouldn't be here. Have a glorious day. Like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to get out and teach your young ones and other family members.